Hey guys, decided to go ahead and throw a video up with this guy as well. Had it plugged in, it's been running for a couple days. It is a Frigidaire chest deep freezer. It's in like new condition. Let's see here. I've got all the additional details as far as the measurements and dimensions and all that in the ad. So if you check out the ad, you'll see that. And I'm going to show you real quick. It's got all this nice shelving. You can take all that out if you want, or you can leave it in. Smooth, frost free, and I'll show you real quick with my temperature gun. Measures in between the red dots. See, it's nice and cold. I think I've got it on the max setting there, and I've actually opened the door a few times, but it was right about 26, negative 26 when I first opened it up. So it does a really good job. And of course, if you didn't want it that cold, you could set it to a little bit higher. It's got a nice light on the inside. Like I said, nice and clean. Here's the tag. I don't know if you can read that sideways there. And I did set it to the coldest setting on 7 there. So I just do these videos so you know when you get it home, plug it in, everything's gonna work like it should. And now you know it's nice and cold like it's supposed to be. Like I said, like new condition here. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day. Thanks.